Hola mis amigos, mi nombre es Zahir Abbas. Once again in front of you I am present for teaching you. In this video I want to explain about Estaba. Before that about Estuve I have explained. Now in this video I will explain about Estaba. Actually the Spanish verb estar in past Estaba. Okay. About Estaba I will explain deeply. I hope that you are trying to understand what I am explaining. Okay. Estaba will be used. It is written Estaba is used for states events in progress at some point in time in the past, whereas for this you are understanding Estaba will be used. There are Spanish pronoun, it is written in front of you, you are watching this. What will be Estaba form for this pronouns, for this Spanish pronouns? I would like to write, then I would like to explain. Past verb form. Okay. Yo estaba, tú estabas, él, ella, usted estaba, nosotros, nosotras estábamos, nosotros and nosotras estábamos, vosotros, vosotras estabais, okay. Ellos, ellas, ustedes estaban. I have written in front of you, you are watching this. Now once again I would like to repeat. With yo estaba will be used, with tu estabas will be used, with él, ella, usted estaba will be used, with nosotros and nosotras estábamos will be used, and with vosotros and vosotras estabais will be used, with ellos, ellas, ustedes estaban will be used. I have written in front of you, now you are watching this. I hope that you are trying to understand. Now with the help of example I will explain, then you can understand easily. Examples. I was speaking English. I was speaking. How to translate into Spanish language? Such kind say I would like to explain. Yo, with yo estaba form will be used. With yo estaba hablando Spanish. Okay. I was speaking will be translated into Spanish language. Yo estaba hablando. Okay. With the help of second example, I want to explain. They were eating English. They were eating. How to translate into Spanish language? I will explain. Ellos, with ellos, estaban will be used. Ellos estaban. Ellos estaban comiendo. Spanish. They were eating will be translated into Spanish language. Ellos estaban comiendo. Right now, what I explained, I expect that you are understanding, because I expect that you will be working hard, because without working hard, nothing can be got. Gracias por ver.